Hi kindergartners, welcome back for another online lesson. Today we are going to be doing math. So I thought for math we would just talk about different strategies you can use at home to help you solve both addition and subtraction problems. So our first strategy today is using the hundredth chart, which got sent home with you. If you did not get one in your home package, you can look online or email me and I can help you find a different way to get one. Looks like Ross is going to join us for our math lesson today. So what you need for your 100th chart are your math problems. So I'm going to write one on the board. Let's write 12 plus 4 equals. Now, just like any of our other strategies, we're going to start with the bigger number and we're going to tap it in our heads. So I'm thinking 12. I'm going to look for 12 on my 100th chart. I'm going to find a little piece, a counter. You can use a game piece of yours. You could use a popcorn kernel. You could use a torn piece of paper. Just something to help you keep track of what number you're on. So I'm going to find 12 on my 100th chart. And I'm going to count up 4 spots. The thing to keep in mind is 12 is still in my head. It's not the first number I'm going to actually count, though. 13 will be. So let's count 4 frog jumps. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. 12 plus 4 is 16. And I would write that after the equal sign. 12 plus 4 is 16. Now, keeping the frog jump in mind, let's try a different problem together. Let's start with 16. And we're going to add 7. Let's see. So where am I going to start? On the 16. My first frog jump count will be that, going to the 17. And we're counting 7. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh no, I reached the end. What do? I just simply move down to the next row, starting with the number that comes after 20. 5, 6, 7. 16 plus 7 is 23. I hope you're following along and that makes sense at home. Let's try in a subtraction one also using the 100th chart and see if that makes sense. So let's try our same numbers we have here actually. Let's try 12 take away 4. 12's in my head. I'm going to find it on my chart. The only difference, instead of going forward, I'm going to go backwards. When I get to the 11 and there's no room to go anymore, I go with the number that goes after 11, which is 10. So let's count backwards 4. 1 jump, 2, 3, 4. 12 take away 8, 12 take away 4 is 8. Here's the next one. 16 take away 7. 16 take away 7. I find the 16 and I count backwards 7 spots. 1 spot, 2, 3, 4, 5. Remember to jump all the way back over here. 6, 7. 16 take away 7 is 9. That's how we use the 100 chart to help us solve math problems. Let's talk about another strategy we have. I'm going to take this off. I'm going to erase these problems. Let's try 9 plus 5. Now, I know that you already know to put the bigger number in your head. But I want to remind you what you can do if you want to see your work on your board to help you visualize it instead of just counting in your head. So I can take the 5, I can circle 9, and I can add 5 dots or lines underneath. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then I'm able to count on. So I say 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 9 plus 5 is 14. Let's try another one. Let's try 7 plus 5. Now I have 7 in my head, and this time I'm not going to write it down. Let's just remind ourselves about how we count on. So 7, I'm going to count 5 fingers, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 7's in my head, it's not one of my fingers. So 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 7 plus 5 is 12. And you can do the same with subtraction. So let's do 2 subtraction problems, and that is going to be our math lesson for today. Okay, so let's try the numbers 10, take away 8 equals. And if you don't write anything on the board, what we can do, something in the kitchen to count with, or something in your playroom. So I grabbed some beans, and I can count out 10. You can always use a counter that you have in your kitchen or in your playroom. I have beans right here, but they're gonna be too hard to see on screen. So I'm gonna pretend like these are the beans. So I have my 10 beans. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I see that my other number is 8, but I don't need 8 more beans. I need to take away 8 of the beans I already have. So I can pull them away or cross them out if you're drawing like I am. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I see how many I have left. I have 1, 2. So I know that 10 take away 8 is 2. Email me and let me know what strategy that you like to use when you do math. And I'll see you in the next video for story time. Bye!